Hey guys, this is Rupesh from Beebom.com and I'm here in beautiful San Francisco for Galaxy Unpacked 2020. And along with the Galaxy S20, Samsung has just launched the Galaxy Z Flip, its second foldable smartphone. I went hands-on with it, so what are you waiting for? Let's check it out. So this is the new Galaxy Z Flip and well, this looks gorgeous, doesn't it? I mean, the mirror finish, the striking colors, it looks stunning. All that is great, but this is what it's all about, flipping. Yep, this is actually a flip phone, but unlike your older flip phones, it has a screen that folds, yep, like this. Now this is what makes it truly exciting. So when opened up, the Galaxy Z Flip is like your usual smartphone with your usual display, your usual experience, but unlike your usual phone, you can just fold this in and keep it in your pocket. There's a sound when you fold the Galaxy Z Flip and it's a sound that will definitely remind you of older flip phones. Anyway, this is what it looks like when it's folded, very compact and very nice. As you can see, it's got a display here as well. This is a 1.1-inch OLED display which Samsung calls a cover display. And this is a display that can be used to check the time, the important notifications. Heck, you can even take a selfie with this display. Anyway, like the Galaxy Fold, you can see there's this gap in between when the Z Flip is folded. But if you're wondering about the durability, well, the Galaxy Z Flip's display is made out of glass, unlike the Fold which was all plastic. This is a 6.7-inch FHD Plus AMOLED with ultra-thin glass and it's got very minimal bezels. Now, if you're wondering, yes, the crease is pretty visible and I can even feel it. Also, another thing to note here is that this is one tall display. I mean, this is a 22:9 display and yeah, it's really tall. Now, from the front, the Galaxy Z Flip seems like a usual smartphone, but there are some interesting use cases thanks to the flex mode. So the Galaxy Z Flip has a self-supporting hinge, which means you can lock it at an angle between 70 and 110 degrees. Samsung calls it the flex mode, and in this mode, you get the viewing area on the top and an interaction area on the bottom. So this might actually come in handy for, say, when you're recording a time-lapse video. With this, you no longer need a tripod, so that's amazing. You can even use this to capture selfies hands-free or even make a video call. Plus, a lot of the apps support the flex mode. So, for example, when you're watching a YouTube video, you can get the comment section in this half and the video on the other half. There are a lot of other use cases and well, it does seem pretty cool. Now, apart from the flip form factor, the Galaxy Z Flip does not have cutting-edge specs, but it's definitely flagship grade. It features the Snapdragon 855 Plus chipset, 8 GB of RAM, 256 gigs of storage, a 12 megapixel wide plus 12 megapixel ultra-wide dual camera setup on the back, and a 3300 mAh battery with 15 watt fast charging. So yeah, flagship specs, but not exactly cutting edge. So the specs are good and definitely better than what you get on the Moto Razr, but hey, the Galaxy Z Flip is not about the specs. It's about this folding form factor, which isn't as crazy as the Galaxy Fold, but hey, it's still super cool. Having said that, I'm not sure how useful this flip form factor can be other than being great for keeping it in the pocket. And at $1,400, yeah, it's pretty pricey, so yeah, I want to test it out more to get a better idea. And hopefully Samsung will launch it in India soon. Well, that was a quick look at the new Galaxy Z Flip. So what do you think? Tell us in the comment section below. Also, give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it and make sure to share it with your friends. Lastly, subscribe to our channel for more amazing tech videos. Well, that's me signing off. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.